Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu states Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, after commencing the prayer, pronounced, A'udhu billahi minka, I seek refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against you, and then said, I hurl Allah's curse upon you thrice. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then stretched his right hand as if he sallallahu alayhi wasallam was grasping something. When he sallallahu alayhi wasallam completed his prayer, we submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, today we heard such expressions from you as we have never heard from you, and we saw you extending your hand. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam whereupon said, Iblis, Allah's foe, came with embrace so as to burn my face. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu forbid. I whereupon said thrice, A'udhu billahi minka. I then said, I invoke complete curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against you. But he did not withdraw. At last, I intended to capture him. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if I had not any consideration for Hazrat Salman's invocation, he, Iblis, would have remained fastened till morning, and the children of Madinah Munawwara would have played with him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1211.